Hi everyone, today I will learn about software project management. Course objective is the ultimate objective of this course is to help the students in learning the knowledge and skills required for planning and managing successful software projects. After successfully completing this course, the student will understand the unique considerations of the software development life cycle that impacts project management specially. This course will help the student in developing the skill set required to become good project managers and productive team members in software project which follow either agile or waterfall life cycle model. Introduction to Software Project Management Concepts, Project Management Tools, PMI Knowledge Areas, Project Management Institution Framework, Project Management Institute Process Groups, Understanding Organizations, Project Planning, Project Evaluation, Selection of an appropriate approach in project, software effort estimation, activity planning, risk management, evaluating the risk to the schedule, risk control, configuration management, and maintenance environment for configuration control, resource allocation, monitoring and control review, and evaluation. Challenge of outsourcing in project management. Software project management lecture number one: Introduction to project management. Today lecture agenda: Why study software project introduction, what is a project attributes, what is project management, the triple constraints of project management, project and programs managers, benefit of sound project management skills, advantage of using formal project management. Why study software project introduction, what is a project attributes, what is project management, the triple constraints of project management, project and program managers, benefit of sound project management skills, advantage of using formal project management. Why study software project management? To understand the processes, tools, techniques, and areas of knowledge needed to successfully manage software projects. The application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to activates to meet project requirements and accomplished through the use of process such as initial, plan, execute, control, and close. Introduction. Software project management encompasses the knowledge, techniques, and tools necessary to manage the development of software products. This course module will discuss material that managers need to create a plan for software development using effective estimation of size, effort, and to execute that plan with attention to productivity and quality. Software project management is strictly based on project management principle to achieve the stringent results required in an effective way. The changing environment of software development, such as component-based, distributed-based, and outsourced software development, require matching changing bias project managers to monitor, control, and coordinate their projects. Professional organization, Project Management Institute, PMI organization. Software Engineering Institute, SEI, IEEE Software Engineering Group certifications, PMI, PMP, TOOLS, MS Project, many others. What is a project? A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Operation is work done to sustain the business. A project and when its objective have been reached or the project has been terminated. Project can be large or small, take short or long time or to complete. Examples of IT projects: a help desk or technical worker replaces laptop for a small department. Small software development team adds a new feature to an internal software application of finance department. A college campus upgrades its technology infrastructure to provide wireless internet access. A cross-functional task force in a company decide what software to purchase and how it will be implemented. A television network develops a system to allow viewers to vote for contestants and provide other feedback on programs. The automobile industry develop a website to streamline procurement. A government group develop a system to track a child immunization. Project attribute: a project has a unique purpose. A project is temporary. A project is developed using progressive elaboration. A project requires resources. A project should have a primary customer or response or sponsor. A project involves uncertainty. Project attributes: a project has unique purpose. Every project should have a well-defined objective since a project exists to achieve some specific outcomes. For example, to improve a business process, create a specific product, or achieve a specific. The purpose of a project is defined by the project requirement. Okay. A project is temporary. A project should have a limited time span. That is, the project has a start date and deadline date for completion. A project is developed using progressive elaboration. Projects are often defined broadly when they begin, and as time passes, the specific detail of project becomes clearer. A project team should develop initial plan and then update them with more detail based on new. A project requires resources. A resource include people, machinery, budget, and other assets. Resources, however, are limited, must be used effectively to meet project and other corporate goals. A project should have a primary customer or sponsor. A sponsor usually provides the direction and funding for the project. A project involves uncertainty. Because every project is unique, it is sometimes difficult to define its objectives clearly, estimate how long it will take to complete, or determine how much it will cost. External factors also cause project uncertainty. The uncertainty is one of the main reasons project management is so challenging, especially on projects involving new technologies. What is project management? Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to activities to meet project requirements. The triple constraints of project management. Every project is constrained in different way by its scope goals, time goals, cost goals. Scope goals: what work will be done as part of project. Time goal: how long should it take to complete. Cost goal: what should it cost to complete the project. Those limitations are sometimes referred to as a triple constraint. It is a project management duty to balance those three often competing goals in order to create a successful project. The relationship among those factors is such that if any one of the three factors changes, at least one other factor is likely to be affected. The triple constraint of project management. Managing the triple constraint involves making trade-offs between scope, time, and cost called for a project. For example, you might need to increase the budget for a project to meet scope and time goals. Second, you might have to reduce the scope of a project to meet time and cost goal. Experienced project manager know that you must decide which aspect of the triple constraint is most important. If time is most important, most often the initial project scope or cost need to be changed to meet the project schedule. If